Welcome to SP Applications. Today we will dive into the world of web design and discuss what makes a good website. Understanding the significance of a well-designed web page is essential for both designers and customers alike. Without this knowledge, there is a risk of accepting or creating one that is poorly designed. A good website is crucial for any business, regardless of its size or industry. It should be user-friendly and simple to navigate so that visitors can connect with it easily. The home page, which is usually the first page users see, is especially important. It should have engaging content to capture their attention. But the most critical aspect is the UI. UI stands for User Interface. It refers to the visual and interactive elements of a software application or website that allow users to interact with and navigate through the system. UI surrounds components such as menus, buttons, forms, icons, and layout design, which are designed to provide a user-friendly experience. It focuses on presenting information and functionality in a clear, organized, and aesthetically pleasing manner, enhancing user engagement and usability. On the topic of clarity and organization, it is essential that paragraphs, articles, and fonts are displayed in a manner that users can easily comprehend and understand. Additionally, they should be legible and visually pleasing, making them easy to read. Now that you know about UI, it's time to talk about UX. Often you will hear the term UX/UI together when it comes to designing layouts. UX stands for user experience. It's the overall experience and satisfaction a user has when interacting with a product, system, or service. UX design aims to create meaningful and enjoyable experiences by focusing on the user's needs, goals, and emotions throughout their journey. Its purpose is to optimize usability and improve the overall interaction flow. UX design considers factors such as accessibility, efficiency, ease of use. In order to fully understand the importance of good UX/UI, you have to get to understand bad UX/UI. Bad UX/UI refers to a user experience and interface design that is ineffective, confusing, and frustrating for users. It may involve elements such as cluttered layouts, confusing navigation, and lack of clear feedback. Bad UX/UI can lead to difficulties in completing tasks, confusion about functionality, and a general sense of frustration or dissatisfaction. It often results in users abandoning the product or service and negatively impacts the brand's reputation and customer loyalty. Studies show that users typically decide within 15 seconds whether to stay on a website or leave if they can't find what they're looking for. To make this simple, if users can't easily navigate your app or website and find the information they need, they're likely to give up and stop using it. A poor user interface leads to a poor user experience, and this can be detrimental to the success and engagement of your product or website. If your website looks cheap, it will lack credibility and can give the impression that your business is not professional or trustworthy. This can make your audience feel unsafe and skeptical, causing them to choose other options instead of doing business with you. An example of a good website and mobile application is Amazon. The search bar is placed in a clear, common, and obvious location, so you can immediately find exactly what you're looking for. Once you locate and view your item, you can favorite, save to a list, or add it directly to your shopping cart. You can then proceed to purchase your item with a click of a button. It's easy, simple, and provides a simple yet pleasant experience that keeps users coming back. Here are a few tips for designing a great user experience. Firstly, pick a great domain name. It is important to note a good domain name is valuable in creating a good website. Your domain name should match that of your business and should sound legitimate. For example, spapplications.com. Another great tip is to use actual photos of your products and location, even though it's acceptable to use stock photos. Using your own photos instead of stock images provides users with a genuine understanding of what your business truly represents. Let's say there's a restaurant that only relies on stock photos. This could result in losing potential customers because people are more likely to choose a restaurant that shows real pictures of their own food. By showcasing photos of their actual business, customers can feel confident that the food is prepared in a clean environment with a pleasant atmosphere. Next, to make things easier for users, it's important to keep the content simple and easy to find. One way to do this is by adding a search bar, which helps users quickly find the information they're looking for and improves their overall experience. Okay, now that you have knowledge on what makes a good website, it's time to take the next step on building your web page.